Welcome to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Konark Sun Temple is located in Dash. Your right answer is Odisha. Option D is your correct answer. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Its chief minister is Navin Patnaik and governor Ganeshi Lal. The famous Golden Temple in Amritsar was completed by which of the following Sikh Guru? Your right answer is Guru Arjun Dev. Option D is your correct answer. ATM is a unit of measuring dash used by gas. Your right answer is pressure. Option A is your correct answer. The main center of artificial painting is dash. Your right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option D is your correct answer. To make dash of water, two hydrogen molecules meet with a molecule of oxygen. Your right answer is two molecules. Option C is your correct answer. Narmada Sagar project is located in which of the following state? Your right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Option C is your correct answer. Evergreen cone tree conifer is found mainly in which biome? Your right answer is forest biome. Option B is your correct answer. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Your right answer is Lord Canning. Option B is your correct answer. Which act abolished the double government in India? Your right answer is Governor of India Act 1858. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is the epic of Tamil literature? Your right answer is Salapadi Karam. Option A is your correct answer. Which rule did the British government enforce and regulate the East India Company in India? Your right answer is Regulating Act 1773. Option B is your correct answer. Taxes imposed on imports are called as? Your right answer is Tariff. Option A is your correct answer. A process by which the water of a living plant decreases water by osmosis and shrink it is called? Your right answer is Plasmolysis. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the longest mountain range in South America? Your right answer is Andes. Option C is your correct answer. International Reconstruction and Development Bank is popularly known as dash. Your right answer is World Bank. Option B is your correct answer. How many natural satellites are there in Mars? 2. Option D is your correct answer. Phoebus and Deimos is the smallest natural satellite in our solar system, and largest natural satellite name is Ganymede, is the satellite of Jupiter planet. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust is located in Dash. Your right answer is Mumbai. Option C is your correct answer. Who discovered the fermentation process? Your right answer is Louis Pasteur. Option D is your correct answer. In which year gymnastics were included in the modern Olympic game? Your right answer is 1896. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following function fall under the main functions of commercial banks? Your right answer is acceptance of deposit. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is the oldest classical dance genre? Your right answer is Bharatanatyam. Option B is your correct answer. The force employed on a unit area of the surface is called dash. Your right answer is pressure. Option A is your correct answer. In the case of area, dash is the world's largest country. Your right answer is Russia. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is needed for the production of thyroxine hormone by a frog in water bodies? Your right answer is iodine. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the biosphere reservoir in India? Your right answer is Sundarban. Option B is your correct answer. LBW in cricket, what is the full form meaning of? Your right answer is leg before wicket. Option A is your correct answer. What is the capital of Vietnam? Your right answer is Hanoi. Option A is your correct answer. The device pommel horse is associated with which game? Your right answer is gymnastics. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following rules or principles is used in designing water vessels and submarine? Your right answer is Archimedes principle. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following scheme have been started to develop the poorest families? Your right answer is self-help group. Option B is your correct answer. East-West corridor connect Porbandar with dash. Your right answer is Silchar. Option D is your correct answer. In which country will the 2022 Commonwealth Game be organized? Your right answer is England. Option B is your correct answer. The word Shwetambaram is associated with dash. Your right answer is Jainism. Option B is your correct answer. Species that are found only in certain area and which are usually isolated due to natural or geographic barrier are called dash. Your right answer is endemic species. Option D is your correct answer. In the volleyball game, the spike is also known as dash. Your right answer is smash. Option D is your correct answer. Who is called the first war of independence of India? Your right answer is Sipai Rebellion. Option A is your correct answer. Which is the fourth largest continent in the world? Your right answer is South America. Option C is your correct answer. Who was appointed as the first Governor General of Bengal? Your right answer is Warren Hastings. Option B is your correct answer. The first hour of each parliamentary meeting is kept for whom? Your right answer is question hour. Option B is your correct answer. What was the only British East India Company authority before 1765? Your right answer is the right to business. Option C is your correct answer. When did Constitution of India come into force? Your right answer is January 26, 1950. Option A is your correct answer. In which year did the Central Public Service Commission be established? Your right answer is 1926. Option A is your correct answer. The Golara Bank Barno GBK Stadium is located in dash. Your right answer is Indonesia. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is a popular polyester used for making bottles and utensils? Your right answer is polyethylene terrestrial. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is called public goods? Your right answer is national defense. Option D is your correct answer. In which year was the Pitt's India Act passed? Your right answer is 1784. Option A is your correct answer. In which of the following script is the Punjabi language written? Your right answer is Gurumukhi script. Option A is your correct answer. Kal Belia, the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage from dash state. Your right answer is Rajasthan. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following Mughal ruler laid the foundation of Din Panaha but could not fulfill it? Your right answer is Humayun. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following building material was used by Harappas? Your right answer is hard bricks. Option C is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.